Hello guys, I welcome you all on this wonderful platform that is Resultant. So guys, as you are aware, on 18th of August, HPCL exam happened, and for HPCL exam, already answer keys are also out. Now you can check your like response sheet, and you can see like how many questions you have done correctly, and you can also see the questions which can be challenged like based on the answer key provided by them. So what I'm going to tell you in this session, actually, in this video is not only for those who have appeared for the paper. This video is also for those who are going to look in the next year paper. Okay. So because I am also going to tell you the weightage analysis, like for which subject how many questions were there. So this is the response key. You can see they have given right tick for the correct answer, and here they have mentioned the chosen options. Okay. So likewise you can see yours response key also. And guys, you may be having doubt one thing is, sir, which question to be challenged, how we can see. So dear, if you find any difficulty, like if you find that some of the question to be challenged, like if it is related to my subjects, technical part, you can send me. I will tell you about that whether your response is correct or not. And similarly, based on the different subject teachers, you can share them. Okay, because if you will send me aptitude, I may not be able to figure it out properly, because that person who is going to deal with that subject, he will be the better person to answer about that. Okay. So dear, this is about the weightage analysis. If you see, my dear, this is my Telegram channel, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. You can join there to get all the PDFs, all the important information and session details. So guys, this is about the 2024. I have given a comparison here. So those who are going to appear for the next year or preparing for that, you will be getting an idea. So you can see previously the weightage for thermal sciences were 8, 10, 13. Here RAC ice engine power plant is also included. This year it was 7 question. When we talk about HMT 5, 9, 4, this year it was 8. For fluid mechanics, this time weightage was more. So in this fluid mechanics, fluid machinery is also there. So 15 questions were there, approximately 1 to 2 here and there may happen. Previously 6, 11, 13 were there. For if you are talking about for like machine design, for machine design almost 4 questions were there. Okay, for machine design almost 4 questions were there. Previously also 4, here 7, here 4. This time industrial engineering was having a lot of weightage, like from LPP a lot of questions were there. Why big M method is used, है ना? This type of questions were there. From transportation, like whatever LPP part is there, a lot of questions were there from that. Okay, previously it was not that much, 6, 6, 2 were there. If you talk about production, this time weightage is less, because this time material size weightage was not very high. Some questions were there, like in one question they were asking you ceramics and metals comparison. Okay, so that kind of questions were there, but very less in amount. That much number was not there. Like previously we have seen production was having very high weightage, and generally in every exam production have highest weightage, but this year it was not there. In extra syllabus there was no question. And here maybe many of the students would be saying, sir, we have done that much, we have done that much, paper was that much. If you see my videos, in all the videos I always said, this is not the part where you need to concentrate, because in these are the things which you are studying from so much time. In this, even if you are going to do well, what you can do, even I'm saying, if let us say 20 questions are coming, if you do some hard work here, then my dear, the same hard work if you do here, na, that will increase your marks by more, like you can say, with more like number of marks will be more increasing. Here maybe with that much hard work you are able to score 5 marks, here maybe you will increase your 7 marks, because these are the things you have studied for so much days, so much months, so much years. That is the reason. Okay, so my dear, for engineering mechanics, 6 questions were there. Previously it was like 4, it was like 5, it was like 11. Then for strength of material, every time weightage is good. 14 questions were there this year. Here 7, here 7, here 10. For tone and vibration also decent weightage was there. So 9 questions. Previously 8, here 16, here 7. So yes, some fluctuations are there which are definitely expected every year. And if you see many of the topics which I have also taken a session, 50 important topics, many of the topics which were there, you will see in the paper also. That is not because of me. Actually, they are important topic for like every exam. Okay, because so there are some topics from which everybody is asking, like Grashof law. GATE is also asking, ESC also asking, HPCL also asking. So these are those type of questions, these type of topics which are going to be asked everywhere. So dear, I would like to tell you, this was about the like analysis. Now Some of the students have also sent me the questions where they were having the doubt. I will be out of town for next 2-3 days, but I will try to answer on the WhatsApp and Telegram whatever students are sharing with me. Okay, so I will try to help you out related to my subjects and technical part. Okay, so guys, this is about it for HPCL. Okay, I feel everybody got it. And if you see, this is, you can join the Telegram channel if you have not done yet, Mechanical by Dheeraj Sardana. There you can directly connect with me as well. So guys, goodbye for this particular session. We will meet again. Okay.